a prehistoric Benjamin Babreno and a use communal labor de manage waste.
Open because check my mind chemo.
A moon to the moon say waste a whole technology on its own. I was see a useful management any idea and your communal labor. You can't waste that. We are looking at organic and inorganic waste. I want you to free. Organic nature say waste are a free nipamu in terms of say a janine, a diania, ye dienum, and only waste and your friend organic waste. And inorganic in here paper ni and twane battery ni bibia
mpaboa ne ntade no mu saa ne car tire no mu ne ade
microphone asay no ne TV asay no ye inorganic waste. Now uyi mienu no free u separate mienu no saa na fei ye hwehwe hwan na a generative waste why the creative waste na a onipa dasani and the creative waste or dasani no so no ya chichem in a way say ye wo ankrankre or generative waste enti say wo meni wudi nkomoyi anopai minim de wa tie de but say ukoji koko 5 cedis near ma brodo 5 cedis now the kosua shem na obo anopai a so the two scales wa ubehu the weight what is a guyem about 12 and now 1 now koji bayira ya twitwa ebia 5 and 8 slices no jinkontomre ma no abo enu so di ko two scales wa ubehu weight enti eduru anwumre na koji o de yem fan say we a gentleman enti eduru anwumre no one tea keke tea bag na o de ada ensio one nsio 500 ml no one be 10 enti u kan nyina abomu a niam ewura uyem no as an individual no ade akye o system no ebeyi de epeno keke energy kakra na epeno na fe de aka nyina na ye waste enti wo as individual no science akire yen say based on your intake no o generate waste a certain amount of waste. Now, say your population of minim baby more alcoholudia. Say more population no more municipality no population here about 210,000 people never. So what it means is say somebody must sit down and strategize and plan. Say Adekyee biana based on the intake of baku na work of Volubiano. Omo intake no Adekyee they will push it out. So there receptacles and abeya would be receive the free yemu ebano. And untina obia fie no I was say there should be a toilet facility. A toilet facility must be improved in a way say a betimia containing there will be a pushy about out every morning. That is the ideal situation. Now, if you receptacles no near the boom, now you see no to say ideal situation. So be our septic tank unifia or jagum a yama near between a corner. Now say that is the ideal situation. Say yama train the coin. And no assembly na said say oh ba between the coin. Now, all the juma bay. That is so liquid waste. A free nipamu eba. Oh, they are not doing China. Now, about solid waste. Now, individual and also or generate solid waste or creative because ebia wono onkoto nyamianoa te se de mekaye no. Wo person onu akokonu ofie. Na person onu akokonu ofie a obekwa koto more ana obekwa kopa bro no akoyam no aba benya condo na wodi aye koko no ana obenu koko na wie no ebia no wa create a little waste plastic kakra paper kakra brodo ase kakra wonfo wa create waste as an individual now so waste na wa create no was say also there no obi timitinase no calculate the whole number of people na wo kofodia ho no no won say obi abetimi create some amount of waste solid waste eno no ye bede ne asesa ne ye de akobebi esese ye de ko enti maka ne sa wie no afei na ye trem e de every ankrankra that is the individual no afei ye beko households ni ye efie mu because nipa baako no okika bomu anu anya fie enti efie no sebia wo de wunum koko ebia obi di fufu anopa yi ono so creating waste obi kan banku ono so creating waste enti eno ye household waste ye chichire no ana I was say obi ti kofodia assembly ho no ka say sa household waste na ya creating nyina no ye be dey aka nyina bom ne yetimi asisa akobaabi eno na efe no waste management no enti ye free ankrankra na yakọ household efie ye free efie a yakọ enwumam organizations and institutions almost generate waste a school for generate waste Bryt FM baby amwo no mu generate waste sorry generate waste saa ho no so nyina no ne asa ka bom say sorry institutions organizations say okofobia no almost ye say almost waste no ye ne den ansa ya ba companies manufacturing companies almost generate waste ye timi kwa kokodru baby a ye separate waste into hazardous
Bryt
and
FM.
electronic waste anything you say ye waste management department a omo adwuma ne say ye keka ye nyina abom ni ye bibi ye fe no municipal waste audit no ne beboa me determine the waste a ye generate either a plastic and toa ni obi atena so obi adwuma no no obeye sa analysis ni na wape anu asibre enunti no enye se afa na obeka se every Saturday no yenko tinsi krom da bi obi adwuma no onu no obehyeche kofodia krom no aha efe ni betom aha efe ni adwoso aha efe no sei aha efe ni sei ta ni nyina no e wo se upe kwan obefa so obetumi content always na ye de akyeche kofodia mu no na che se apply management tools a ye de eye adwuma enti baby ni wa ebesi se obi a wono ankrankran ye ni nwura no okoto akuni baby keke dabi masa because what che no de che so ye tansu na efiefie so omu nchichiri nwura no mfanto ho ana omu mfanto gotem because what che omu de che so omu ye a school for what che omu di what che obi a de che so ye enu na wo ye on top of your job so we waste management director a wo bo adwuma beside that no de ye nyina no eye nwura say ye ko sister Sophie ni akọ nwurem ni ayakọ yi gotem another month enu eye nwura enu ye eye hwehwe enu nye management enu ye bola eye banza kra na enu na ye yajatum ana ye de pe enti instead of ye betena se ni ahyehyɛ ama efie bia responsibility no ya boa no ene ye de aye container base bia si baabi obi afa kogum na akosimiensa akokukuru fefiri afa kogu ha eno ne basa ene ye wie ye ni
na kyerɛ sɛ